Hello students, today we are going to continue our previous chapter, that is reproduction in animals. Already we discussed that sexual reproduction and asexual reproduction, reproduction in male and reproduction in female, and then fertilization process also, what is viviparous, oviparous, all these topics are discussed already. Now today we are going to start young ones to adult, how the young ones is going to be developed into the adults. The new individual which are born or hatched from the egg continue to grow till they become adult. In some animals, the young one may look very different from the adult. Recall the life cycle of silkworm. Silkworm की cycle पता है आपको? जैसे first in the first stage they are going to be converted into egg. After egg they are going to be converted into larva or caterpillar. After that pupa is going to be formed. After that pupa the adult one is going to be come. So, you studied in class 7. Frog is another such example. Observe the different stages of frog starting from the egg to the adult stage. We find that there are the three distinct stages, that is egg, tadpole, adult. There is the three stages. In first is egg, then second is larva, that is tadpole, and third one is adult. Don't the tadpole look so different from the adult? They are looking totally different from each other. Can you imagine that these tadpoles would someday become frogs? आपको लगता है कि ये tadpoles किसी ना किसी दिन frog बन सकते हैं? Similarly, the caterpillar or the pupa or silkworm looks very different from the adult form. The features that are present in the adult are not found in these young ones. Then what happens to the tadpoles and caterpillars? You must have seen beautiful moth emerging out of cocoon. So in the case of tadpole, they transform into the adults capable of jumping and swimming. The transformation of larva into an adult through drastic changes is called metamorphosis. Now what is metamorphosis? That is transformation from the larva into adult through drastic change. मतलब totally different stage आ जाती है, उसको हम metamorphosis बोलते हैं. What about the changes that we observe in our body as we grow? Do you think we too undergo the metamorphosis? In human beings, body parts similar to those present in adults are present from the time of birth. जब हमारा birth होता है body parts same होते हैं, तो drastic change नहीं आता हमारी body के अंदर. Simple reproduction के time पे simple small changes होते हैं body के अंदर. So here is the life cycle of a frog. An egg, after egg there is a early tadpole, then late tadpole, after that adult frog. Now come to the next topic, that is asexual reproduction. अब तक हम sexual reproduction के बारे में पढ़ रहे थे, अब हम पढ़ेंगे asexual reproduction के बारे में. So far we have learned about reproduction in some familiar animals, but what about very small animals like hydra and microscopic organisms like amoeba? Do you know how they reproduce? Let us find out. किस तरीके से reproduce होते हैं वो हम आज देखते हैं. This is the budding in hydra. So in each hydra these may be one or more bulges. यहाँ आपको hydra नज़र आ रहा है, इसमें छोटे छोटे bulges हैं. These bulges are the developing new individuals. जो छोटा छोटा bulges है वो क्या करेगा, new individual को develop करेगा, and they are called buds. इन छोटे यहाँ पे आपको जो छोटा सा bulge नज़र आ रहा है ये क्या करेगा, एक नया bird form करेगा, उससे एक नया hydra form होता है. Recall the presence of birds in yeast. In hydra too, the new individuals develop as outgrowth from a single parent. तो इस single parent में से ही develop होता है. This type of reproduction in which only a single parent is involved is called asexual reproduction. जहाँ पे सिर्फ single parent involved होते हैं उसको हम asexual reproduction बोलते हैं. Since new individual develop from the birds in hydra, this type of asexual reproduction is called budding. तो इस टाइप की रिप्रोडक्शन प्रोसेस को क्या बोलते हैं, बर्डिंग बोलते हैं, जहाँ पे हाइड्रा में एक न्यू वन ऑटोमेटिकली एक बल्जेस की हेल्प से रिप्रोड्यूस होता है. नाउ अनदर मेथड ऑफ एसेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन इज ऑब्जर्व्ड व्हेन द माइक्रोस्कोपिक ऑर्गेनिज्म लाइक एमीबा. एमीबा का रिप्रोडक्शन आपको यहाँ साइड में नज़र आ रहा है. इस टाइप से एमीबा होता है, उसके बाद वो धीरे धीरे अपने सेल को डिवाइड करता है. देन इट इज़ गोइंग टू बी डिवाइडेड इनटू टू डॉटर सेल्स एंड इट इज़ कॉल्ड द बाइनरी फिजन. इस प्रोसेस को हम बाइनरी फिजन बोलते हैं. यू हैव अनदर मेथड इज एसेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन. यू हैव ऑलरेडी लर्न अबाउट द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ एमीबा. यू विल रिकॉल द एमीबा इज अ सिंगल सेल ऑर्गेनिज्म. एमीबा सिंगल सेल ऑर्गेनिजम्स हैं. इट बिगिन्स द प्रोसेस ऑफ रिप्रोडक्शन बाय द डिवीजन ऑफ इट्स न्यूक्लियस इनटू 2 न्यूक्लियाई. जो इसका न्यूक्लियस होता है वो 2 न्यूक्लियाई में डिवाइड हो जाता है. दिस फॉलो बाय द डिवीजन ऑफ न्यूक्लियस. इसलिए इस प्रोसेस में न्यूक्लियस का डिवीजन होता है. फाइनली 2 अमीबा आर प्रोड्यूस फ्रॉम वन पेरेंट अमीबा. दिस इज टाइप ऑफ एसेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन इन विच एन एनिमल रिप्रोड्यूस बाय डिवाइडिंग इनटू 2 इंडिविजुअल इज कॉल्ड बाइनरी फ्यूजन. जहाँ पे न्यू इंडिविजुअल जनरेट होता है उसको बर्डिंग बोलते हैं. जहाँ पे डिवाइडिंग की हेल्प से जो एक न्यूक्लियस के डिवाइड करने की वजह से फॉर्म होता है उसको बाइनरी फ्यूजन बोलते हैं. अपार्ट फ्रॉम बर्डिंग एंड बाइनरी फ्यूजन, there are other methods by which a single parent reproduce young ones. You will study about these in your higher classes. So here is the story. Here is the chapter is going to be completed of your 8th standard, and these are the important points like asexual reproduction, binary fission, budding, eggs, embryo, external fertilization आप पढ़ चुके हैं, fertilization process पढ़ चुके हैं, fetus क्या होता है वो पढ़ चुके हैं, internal fertilization पढ़ चुके हैं, metamorphosis, oviporous animals, sexual reproduction, sperms and viviporous animals, zygote. All topics are completed. These are the important points. Like there are two modes of reproduction like sexual reproduction and asexual reproduction. Reproduction resulting from the fusion of male and female gamete called sexual. The reproductive organ in female include ovaries, oviduct and uterus, and in male it is testes, sperm ducts and penis. Ovary produce female gamete called ova, and the testes produce male gamete called sperms. The fusion of ovum and sperm is called fertilization. The fertilized egg is called zygote. Fertilization takes place inside the female body is called internal fertilization. This is observed in human beings and other animals such as hens and cow and dogs. Now fertilization takes place outside the female body is called external fertilization. This is observed in frog, fish and starfish. The zygote divides repeatedly to give rise to an embryo. The embryo gets embedded in the wall of the uterus for the further development. The stage of the embryo in which all the body parts are identifiable is called fetus. Now, animals such as human beings, cow and dogs which give birth to young ones are called viviporous animals. Animals such as hen, frog, lizard, butterfly which lay eggs are called oviporous. The transformation of the larva into adult through drastic change is called metamorphosis. The type of reproduction in which only a single parent is involved is called asexual reproduction. In Hydra, new individual develop from birds. This method of asexual reproduction is called budding. The amoeba reproduces by dividing itself into two. This type of asexual reproduction is called binary fission. So, here your chapter and important points all are completed. After this exercise is going to become that I will give you the PDF of this exercise. If you are having any doubt, just contact me and clear it with me. Till then students, bye bye and take care.